If Grammarly keeps opening every time you start your computer, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off Grammarly at startup on Windows in just a few simple steps. This is a quick way to stop Grammarly from launching automatically while still keeping it installed on your PC. That means you can always open it manually whenever you need it, but it won't slow down your startup anymore. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Windows settings on your computer. The fastest way to do that is by clicking the Start menu and then selecting Settings, or you can press Windows and I on your keyboard if you want a shortcut. Once Settings opens, look at the left side menu and click on Apps. This section contains app-related settings, including startup controls, uninstall options, and default app settings. Inside the Apps menu, click Startup. This is where Windows lets you choose which programs are allowed to run automatically when your computer boots up. You'll see a list of startup apps here, and each app usually has a simple on or off switch next to it. Take a moment to scroll through the list and find Grammarly. When you locate Grammarly, look at the switch next to it. If it is turned on, that means Grammarly is currently allowed to launch when Windows starts. To stop that from happening, simply click the switch and turn it off. As soon as you do that, Windows will stop loading Grammarly automatically in the background during startup. That's really all there is to it. Grammarly will still remain installed on your computer, so you won't lose the program or your account. You're just preventing it from opening on its own every time your system turns on. This can help your PC boot a little faster and keep your startup process cleaner, especially if you have several apps running in the background. After turning it off, it's a good idea to restart your computer and check the result. Once your PC boots back up, make sure Grammarly does not open automatically. If it stays closed until you launch it yourself, then you've done everything correctly. And that's how to turn off Grammarly at startup on Windows. A simple change like this can make a big difference if you want more control over which apps run when your computer starts. If this video helped you, please remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick and helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.